This next tutorial is just going to show you how to use the Loft command. The best way to set things up for that is by putting a few planes parallel to each other. So if you go to the plane command, so I started by creating a new part, but I didn't go to start a new sketch. I'm going to organize these planes first. So I'm going to go to plane, and just the most basic of planes, you can set it up so that it aligns with one of your existing planes. So you have these origin planes here, your X, your YZ, your XZ, and your XY. So you could just choose one of those and create that as one of your planes. And then what you can do is you can create a sketch on that plane. There we go. You have to click on the edge of it, and then you can create a sketch. And let's say the first sketch we want to have is going to be a circle that is, let's say, 1 inch in diameter. Finish sketch. And now I'm going to go back to the plane tool, offset from the plane, and let's say I have this plan in mind where I need to have several planes that are 1 inch apart, each of them. So I create a new plane there, click on the edge of it, create new sketch, and so I can actually see the sketch from behind. So sometimes that gets to be a little bit confusing, but if you orbit a little bit using one of the corners of the view cube, it should help you to orient yourself. So I have a circle there. On this one, I want to make a circle that's a little bit bigger. I'm just going to use the same type of circle and make a little bit bigger one. I hit finish sketch, go back to plane. This one's going to be offset from a plane, and it's going to be offset from this plane here. And I'm going to come out by another 1 inch. Create that plane, and on this one I will create a 2D sketch, and I'll use another circle, and it will be offset a little bit because I want to have a little bit of fun with this. Finish sketch, and you could keep doing this all day and see what comes out of it. So now from this plane I'm going to go another 1 inch, check mark, click the edge, and create a new sketch on there. And let's keep going off in that direction, but make it much tinier, this one, and finish sketch. All right, I think we have enough to show you what the Loft tool does. Go ahead and find that Loft tool and click on it, and then you are just going to go through and click the different profiles, and it should allow you to do that. That one, to that one, to that one, and to that one. We are going to hit OK. And that is what the Loft tool does. It blends those different profiles organically together.